Welcome to Elite Finance Insights, your gateway to the financial secrets of the world's most iconic success stories. Every tip we share is a key to the strategies once reserved for the elite. Ready to unlock your financial potential? Let's dive in. The world of high stakes and bold decisions is about to reveal secrets that have transformed ordinary lives into extraordinary success stories. Mark Cuban is a name that resonates with innovation and relentless determination. His rise from modest beginnings to billionaire entrepreneur has inspired countless individuals across America and beyond. His financial advice is not simply a checklist of rules, but a collection of guiding principles forged through hard work, risk, and a constant desire to learn. His 10 best financial tips offer a roadmap to financial freedom and a chance to reshape your future with strategies that have been tested in the crucible of real life. The first lesson Cuban teaches is to invest in yourself. Every day is an opportunity to grow your knowledge and sharpen your skills. Whether it is reading widely, exploring new subjects, or acquiring practical experience through hands-on work, each step you take adds value to your future. In a world where information is power, the investment you make in your education and self-improvement yields returns that far exceed any monetary expense. It is a decision that pays off every day as you gain the confidence and ability to tackle challenges head-on. Living below your means is another core tenet of his advice. In a culture where flashy spending and instant gratification often rule the day, Cuban reminds us that true financial strength comes from discipline and restraint. By carefully managing your expenses and avoiding the traps of unnecessary debt, you build a solid foundation that allows you to invest in opportunities when they arise. This approach is not about missing out on life, but about choosing a future where every dollar saved is a seed planted for long-term prosperity. Saving money and investing wisely forms the backbone of Cuban's philosophy. He is a staunch believer in the power of compound interest and the benefits of starting early. Even modest contributions can grow significantly over time if invested consistently. His advice urges you to set aside a portion of your income each month and to choose investments that work for you over the long haul. This patient and deliberate approach to building wealth ensures that you are prepared for both the expected and the unforeseen challenges that life may present. A focus on cash flow is another pillar of Cuban's financial strategy. He stresses that creating reliable streams of income is far more valuable than chasing one-off windfall profit. The idea is to build assets and businesses that produce steady cash flow and reinvest that surplus to create even greater financial momentum. Over time, this consistent inflow of funds becomes the engine that drives your financial growth and protects you from the volatility that can derail less prepared investors. Embracing technology and innovation is crucial in today's fast-paced world, and Cuban has been at the forefront of this revolution. His success is partly due to his keen eye for emerging trends and his willingness to invest in new ideas that disrupt traditional markets. He encourages you to remain curious and adaptable to the changing landscape, where digital transformation creates opportunities for those who are ready to seize them. Whether you are investing in tech startups or using modern tools to optimize your business, the ability to evolve with the times is a powerful asset. Taking risks is inherent in any financial venture, but Cuban advocates for calculated risks that are based on sound research and realistic expectations. Rather than gambling on every opportunity, he recommends a careful evaluation of the potential rewards and drawbacks. Before making a decision, he advises a deep dive into the details to understand the market and the business. This thoughtful approach to risk means that you are prepared for setbacks and can turn potential losses into valuable learning experiences that propel you further along your path. Understanding the market and your industry is another indispensable tip from Cuban. His success is built on an acute awareness of trends, consumer behavior, and the competitive environment. Whether you are an entrepreneur or an investor, knowing the dynamics of your field allows you to anticipate changes and make informed decisions. He urges you to stay updated on market developments and to study both successful ventures and those that faltered. In doing so, you gain insights that help you avoid common pitfalls and capitalize on emerging opportunities. The power of a strong network cannot be underestimated in the world of business and finance. Cuban has long emphasized the importance of surrounding yourself with talented and driven individuals. A robust network of mentors, colleagues, and peers not only provides support during challenging times, but also opens doors to new opportunities. Collaborative relationships can spark creative ideas and lead to partnerships that multiply your chances of success. This tip is a reminder that while individual effort is vital, it is often the people around you who help turn aspirations into reality. Never stop learning is a mantra that encapsulates much of Cuban's advice. He believes that the moment you think you have nothing left to learn is the moment you begin to fall behind. The journey of self-improvement is continuous, and each experience offers a lesson that refines your strategy for success. His words remind you to embrace challenges as chances to grow and to remain open to new ideas that can revolutionize the way you think about money and business. In this ever-changing landscape, every day holds the potential for discovery and advancement. Patience and persistence tie all these lessons together. Cuban's own career is a testament to the fact that overnight success is a myth. The path to financial freedom is lined with hard work, determination, and the courage to face failures head-on. Every setback is an opportunity to learn, and every delay is a chance to refine your approach. His advice is clear: keep moving forward even when the road is rough, and trust that every effort, no matter how small, is a step toward a brighter future. The financial tips shared by Mark Cuban extend beyond mere strategies. They are a way of thinking that empowers you to take control of your financial destiny and to transform everyday actions into powerful habits that lead to long-term success. His guidance is a call to rise above conventional limits, to challenge the status quo, and to build a future where you are not just surviving, but thriving. In his advice, there is a rare blend of practicality and inspiration that speaks to both the rational mind and the ambitious heart. Imagine the thrill of uncovering hidden opportunities in your everyday routine, and the excitement of watching a disciplined strategy turn small savings into a flourishing nest egg. Each piece of advice from Cuban is a key that can unlock new levels of success if you are willing to apply it with determination and care. The insights shared here are not reserved for the financially elite alone, but are accessible to anyone who dares to dream big and commit to a better way of managing their money. The journey toward financial mastery is not marked by a single breakthrough, but by the cumulative effect of countless informed decisions. Every dollar saved and every risk taken with caution builds a bridge to a future where financial freedom is not a distant fantasy, but an achievable reality. This is the moment to let go of limiting beliefs and to embrace a new paradigm where financial security is built on the foundation of hard work, perseverance, and smart choices. In a world where the rules of business and finance are constantly rewritten by technological advances and shifting economic tides, the wisdom of Mark Cuban stands as a beacon of clarity. His advice cuts through the noise and provides a simple, yet profound blueprint for success. It is a reminder that true wealth is not measured solely by the balance in your bank account, but by the knowledge you acquire, the habits you develop, and the resilience you build along the way. Every step you take on this journey matters, and every decision has the potential to shape your financial future. Cuban's tips are a rallying cry to invest deeply in yourself, to live wisely, and to pursue opportunities with both passion and caution. His insights encourage you to be proactive in managing your money and bold in your vision for what is possible. When you embrace these principles, you are not only preparing for financial success, but are also crafting a life that is rich in purpose and fulfillment. Reflect on the remarkable journey of self-made success and envision the steps you can take to transform your financial future. The wisdom of Mark Cuban is not confined to boardrooms and investment strategies, but extends to every decision that shapes your life. Each choice you make, from the way you manage your daily expenses to the investment in your personal growth, is a building block in the empire of your dreams. It is the commitment to a disciplined approach, the willingness to learn and adapt, and the courage to take risks that defines the true measure of success. In adopting these principles, you become the architect of your destiny, crafting a future that is rich not only in financial abundance, but also in the satisfaction of knowing that every step was taken with purpose and conviction. The journey may be long and the challenges many, but the rewards of perseverance are immeasurable and enduring.